In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a picture into a PDF document on your Windows computer or laptop. So you can see on my desktop computer here that I have this image, and to go and convert this into a PDF document, the first thing we need to do is just open up an internet browser, and you need to head over to the website google.com. Once you're on this website, make sure you're signed into your account in the top right hand side, and then click on this square icon just next to your profile picture. Then select Drive, click on New in the top left hand side and select Google Documents. Now don't worry, this is really easy to do. We just need to click on Insert in the top navigation, click on Image and select Upload from Computer. Now just go and locate the image that you want to convert to a PDF. So mine's this image here. I'm going to double click on it, and that's going to add your image to this document. So from here, you can go in, resize your image if you need to. And to make this into a PDF, just click on File in the top left-hand side, click on Download and select PDF document. And just like that, it's going to convert this image into a PDF. So we can just click on our downloads in the top left-hand side, click on the Show in Folder icon, and here you'll find our new PDF document. And I can double click on this to open up the file. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.